Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Shelby. These morning films are way more difficult than the evening films.
They're different.
They're different.
But you know what? For me, I prefer it. An evening film would be actually much more difficult for me.
That's true, because you are a lady of the morning.
I am. Versus a lady of the night.
Two different things.
My evenings are filled with like bedtimes and all of that. And I turn into a pumpkin and go to bed early. So.
You know what I saw the other day on the interwebs? That there's a study that's come out that people who stay up late and are night owls are highly more intelligent than those who go to bed early.
Shut up, that's
I'm
not
not
true.
kidding, I saw it, I'm gonna find it.
Fake news.
I'm gonna find it and show it to you.
Fake news. There's also all these studies that say that people who get up and conquer the morning are like bajillionaires.
Well, that's true. That is probably true.
There you go.
Can I borrow some money?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, you cannot.
Hey, thanks for joining us today. We're going to do some reactions because that's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
But before we do it, hit that subscribe button here on this YouTube and follow us over on Patreon. Also, check out our podcast, Sidewalk Karaoke. Lots of fun things for you all to never have to do anything else except watch our faces.
Except sit around and stare at a screen. We're actually trying to better civilization over here, though.
Yeah, we are. We're
anyway.
trying to make it fun and informative. That should be our moniker now. Vocal Lab Collective, fun and informative.
Yep.
I don't know if that really
That doesn't
sells,
sit
but
well on a t-shirt, though.
No, it doesn't. You're right. That'd be a weird t-shirt. Hey, what are we reacting to today?
Mehmaan?
I think
Coke
that's right.
Studio, Pakistan.
Ooh, here we go. We love some Coke
Season
Studio over
15,
here. Let's see
here
what
we
we got. Ooh.
Nice.
I mean, that's just incredible.
That opening run was cool. It's like a blend of that culture and like R&B culture of runs.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's like a hybrid.
I like this.
It's cool.
Ooh.
These are so cool. She's doing it too, that hybrid. Of culture runs.
Oh, that was so nice.
I have thoughts forming in my mind that I'm excited to share about this. This is really interesting.
छोटी छोटी ख्वाहिशें गुनगुनाती हैं सजाती हैं ये दुनिया.
I love how her tone is so much in the front.
Yeah. It's so good. It's like the Nora Jones
So young. Yes.
of Pakistan, right?
Meet, who's the girl who sings I'm Like a Bird?
Oh, Corey something Ray.
Corinne Bailey Ray.
Corinne
That's
Bailey
not
Ray.
her. Anyway.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh God, it's so good.
She's so young.
We're gonna get a comment. They're like, she's 42.
Oh, yeah. Aging like a fine wine out there in Pakistan.
I could listen to just that.
Agility for days.
This is beautiful.
It really is. It's like we're going towards heaven. It was like part 2. Here we go. I want to go have a picnic out there. Even though that's probably CGI. It's
Beautiful.
pretty.
चाहतों के भी तो रास्ते कई हैं दिल की नजर में सब ही हम ही हैं तुम भी हम ही हो हम भी तुम ही हैं
Wow.
She's my standout. That girl's amazing. The white dress.
Yeah.
Woman in the white dress.
I think that's my favorite Coke Studio yet.
Really?
Yes.
Those are bold words, Jason.
That was just, I mean, I loved everything about it.
It was very, like, soothing. Mm-hmm. I really enjoyed it. I
It's
was
incredibly
like,
soothing.
It was,
It was peaceful.
It was.
It was inspirational.
Yeah.
It was, I love a good mid song though.
Yeah.
Mids are underlooked.
I agree.
Right?
Mid-tempo is like
Yeah,
my sweet spot.
Same, and
I love it.
that's what that was. What, you have thoughts?
Okay, so I feel like every musician in this video had essences of this concept. This blend of like Pakistani style music and the way like their voices are so agile and those so quick, those little note bends and slips and stuff like that that make it so cultural. Right, but then another side of it, there was more Western, more American R&B, which is probably just in general more where like so much of the music of that's popular is here, arguably, for like pop music, right? But not to say that there's nothing that stuff is not more popular in Pakistan than American music. That's not what I mean. My point is that there was this cool blend of two different successful cultures in music, and I haven't seen it done quite to that degree before, where it preserves a lot of the Pakistan culture, and you hear that influence. It's so very obvious, but then there's more of this influence of like Western R&B music that was just like a really cool, I don't know, hybrid.
Yeah, this was really, really, really moving to me. And like, and even lyrically, like I loved a lot of the themes of love and unity and togetherness. That just, and I think it was really emphasized and highlighted by the fact that they all three individually with their vocals came together in this amazing blend at times.
Yeah. For sure.
You know, just it just made so much sense.
Yeah.
Again, I wish we had Coke Studio. I say I do. Maybe I don't. They might destroy Coke Studio USA. I don't know, but these Coke Studios are fantastic.
They're really cool.
They're really cool.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it makes me sit here and be like, yeah, I am tired with the reality shows we have here. This would be something different and cool.
Yeah.
They have to be thinking about it. But I
No
don't
doubt.
know. This is awesome. This is great. This is fun. This was great fun.
Great fun.
Until next time, I'm Jason Catrone.
And I'm Shelby Rollins.
We're on Vocal Love Collective.